Scissor lift integrated with car turntable. Recently we made a car lift with turntable for our Indonesian client. This car lift will used in customers' villa garage, transfer cars between basement and lobby, and turntable will help to adjust the car directions, help customer easily park cars to ideal place. This car lift travel height is 4.6 meters, turntable diameter is 7.6 meters and load capacity is 3,500 kilograms. Scissor car lift is specially designed to transfer cars between different floors. Our car lift now is pretty welcomed by automobile 4S stores, car showrooms, home garages and some other sites. The control panels of car lift are installed at the designated floors, and could be also installed on the lift platform, user-friendly and easy operating. In some cases, turntable is equipped with scissor lift to realize specific application. For example, turntables integrated with a car lift to transfer cars between different levels, and use turntable to change drive-in, drive-out directions, where the place is narrow and restricted, used for production line and packing process to save labor, lifting cars up and down while turntable turning to display cars, and so on. Provide customer with reliable lifting platforms has been our primary consideration. We concern people and their safety. The lifts are supposed to help improving people working efficiency, and lower the risks they may encounter during work operation. Our purpose is to help customers with best proper solutions of safe and durable lifting platforms, together with outstanding service and support.